Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain AI video generator apps. These innovative tools leverage artificial intelligence to automate the creation of video content, making the process much faster and more accessible. They can take simple inputs like text descriptions, still images, or even audio, and transform them into engaging, high-quality videos. This technology is a game changer, drastically cutting down the time and resources traditionally needed for video production, allowing creators to focus more on storytelling and strategy. When exploring AI video generators, several key features stand out. Prioritize apps offering high-quality video output, ideally supporting resolutions up to 4K, ensuring your content looks professional. Robust customization options are also vital, allowing you to tailor avatars, scenes, and branding elements to your specific needs. An intuitive, easy-to-use interface, often with drag-and-drop simplicity, makes the creation process smooth. Finally, seek realistic AI voices and a diverse range of avatar options to truly bring your stories to life. The advantages of using AI for video creation are numerous. These tools significantly boost efficiency by automating time-consuming tasks such as editing, color correction, and even generating subtitles, saving countless hours. They also provide substantial cost savings, minimizing the need for expensive equipment, actors, or extensive manual labor. Furthermore, AI enables powerful content personalization, allowing you to tailor videos for different audience segments. Ultimately, AI enhances overall video quality through advanced algorithms that improve visuals and audio. Choosing the best AI video generator app depends on your unique needs. First, clearly define your video style and intended use case, whether it's for marketing, education, or social media. Next, evaluate the platform's ease of use and the depth of its customization options, ensuring it aligns with your technical comfort and creative vision. Also, consider its integration capabilities with other tools you already use. Finally, compare different pricing models and assess the quality of customer support to find a solution that offers both value and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.